Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Steve Williams, founder and president of the creditrepairshop.com. I want to make this quick video. It just came to my mind again while I was doing my workout. It's just, I'm pushing this all over the internet, doing some interviews and stuff. Don't pay the bills that allow you to defer them. There's so many programs out there. There's a PPP, which is the Paycheck Protection Program, where your company, or if you own a company, you'll be able to get a grant, a forgivable loan from the federal government to pay your employees. If you could get it, I even put my companies in there, just to the ones that are reduced. And to just be able to get that, because it's going to be a grant to keep people working. But on the flip side of that, even if you're a business owner or if you are just we work for somebody, don't spend your money on things that you don't have to right now. That goes for hoarding. If get what you need, but don't hoard, because there's a lot, plenty to go around. It's just that everybody's putting a lot of stress on on everything right now. But don't hoard. Get what you need. You maybe need 1 or 2 weeks worth of stuff, but don't hoard stuff like you're going to have a garage sale at the end of this. And then when it comes to your money, keep as much of your money as possible, because that's going to be very important. Get payment deferments. I was emailing back and forth with a young lady, and she said that her mortgage company told her that they will not do a deferment. And I said, give me the name of the company, and I'm gonna contact them myself. They never answered their phone, but they did respond to me by email, and they said absolutely, anyone with our company could get a 2-month pause on paying their mortgage without any interest rate occurring, anything, zero, 100%, 2 months. And then it said after 2 months, if this continued, they would review it and then they can extend it. The problem is that people do not know how to talk to the people with these companies. Some of them are straightforward. You call them, they do it. Some of them you got to go back and forth, because remember, in their case, they want to try to keep as many people making the payments as possible, and they want to make it hard for people not to make them. But it's legal, and it's actually, I don't want to say it's mandated by the government, but every business, credit card company, mortgage company, payday loan company, department store credit cards, every lender, auto lenders, everyone has an agreement, let's just say a psychological agreement, that we're all in the same boat, and you got to do this for people if they ask for it. Key word, if they ask for it. If they ask for it. So don't pay your bills, at least the ones that you get deferments on. Don't pay them. Keep that money for emergency. In a news report that was done probably almost a year ago, they had stated that the average American don't have $400 in their bank account, and for an emergency, that's why people just keep running a cycle of going to payday lenders and taking out loans and using their credit card. This is the time to defer all of your payments that you could get deferments on, and then from that, somebody try to text me there. And then save that money, make you an emergency fund, even one that you'll be able to use after all of this. So you're going to be getting a check from the federal government in the stimulus check. That's going to be for most families either 24, if you're married with kids, at least 24, 2,900 if you got 2 kids. Every kid is $500. Every adult is $1,200. That right there is money that you don't need to spend on bills that you don't have to pay. If you're still getting paid from your employer, if you have unemployment, you don't need to use that money on bills that you don't have to pay. And a lot of people keep thinking that, well, if I don't pay and when everything goes back to normal, do I have to catch up with all of these months? No, you do not have to catch up with these months. It's a pause. It's a deferment. Nothing. It's just like when that day comes, when everything goes back to normal, it's like those months just didn't exist. Yes, they're going to put it on the back of your loan on the tail end, but it's like that those months is like a dead spot uh, in time, like it just was a pause. So get deferments. And if you are not confident that you know what to do, know what to say, know what to do after you get the deferment on who to send information to protect your credit, get my program, my credit protection program. The link is below this video. It's only $39.95. It's well worth it. Well worth it. I have people that are already sending me emails saying that they don't have to pay their mortgage for 3 months, don't have to pay their credit card for 6 months. Credit cards are doing 6-month deferments. 6-month deferments. I saw a car company. They're doing a 3-month deferment. And if you buy the car, they're doing a 3-month deferment, and then they're paying your payments for 3 months. So 6 months. And if you have a car, you could get 3 months guaranteed and then have a review after that, just in case this goes further. Do it. Don't use your hard-earned money to pay bills that you don't have to pay. All right, thank you. I'm going to get back to my workout. You can see sweat coming down here. Get back to my workout. Everybody stay safe. I've been working out every day, so I might start looking different to everybody pretty soon. I've been working out every day. This is Steve Williams, founder and president of the CreditRepairShop.com. And until next time, thank you.